Guys, today we're making a fishing lure with an Xbox controller. So, don't really know how to get into this yet. I think the best thing to do, there we go. By the way, this was completely broken before I started doing this. I would not use a perfectly good one. Make sure to get real close to my muscles on this one. Oh, that's kind of cool. I'm keeping that. All the buttons. That's actually really cool. They're not coming out. That looks pretty cool right there. Giant bass lure. No. There we go. I would say that'll work right there. Now, all that stuff out of the way. We will put a hole in it. Grab a nail. Okay, finished product. It is nothing crazy. Kind of sucks, but it's all I could really do. But let's go ahead and go fishing. Right here, sorry for the wind. It's kind of howling right now. But here's our lure. Nothing crazy, but this audio is going to be terrible. Anyway, let's go fishing. We're gonna start out over here. Oh yeah, by the way, don't make fun of me for my rod selection. Yeah, don't make fun of me for my rod selection. It don't matter. You drop it down right in here. By the way, guys, if anybody knows what this is, it's just there's two piles over here. Let me know. It's pretty weird. It could be considered cheating, but you know, I wouldn't consider it cheating unless someone else was doing it. Let's go. I haven't really seen anything. You might think about wasting it and that's the whole front. I don't know. There ain't a darn fish in here. This is weird. I've never seen it this quiet before. I've never seen it this quiet here. There we go. Gotta get him to bite now. Massive cold front that came through. Probably why they're not biting. 10 likes, I'll try it again.